We're in today with the legendary 6950 XT. This is a 2022 video card with 5120 shaders. It's got 16 gig of GDDR6 memory, Samsung, running at 2116 megahertz on the core clock, 2248 megahertz on the memory clock, 256 bits bus width, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i3 CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads. I think the best thing I can do for the CPU is just jump in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Let me show you something really cool, because in Starfield, apparently this video card with the CPU is something magical is happening, seriously. So I got 4K on VSR. VSR is like DSR for Nvidia, that allows you to upscale or change the resolution beyond your monitor or the video card or cable capabilities. You know, it's just virtual resolution, VSR. I never thought I'm gonna see this, seriously, because I thought DSR it was really cool with Nvidia. Well, I'm like, oh, which one is for AMD? VSR. All right, DSR, VSR. In this situation, I never thought I will tilt the scale on the video card, because I never thought this video card, you know what? Let me help your friend buddy here, i3. Seriously? Okay. So I put it on 4K. Actually, when you enable VSR, it gives you 8K too, and every resolution in between. So I got ultra quality here. I got the dynamic resolution on, so it's got 75% render scale. It's adjusting it itself, so it doesn't matter. I have VSync off, hence why it's custom like this, and FSR and frame generation, because on 4K it looks great, you know, but I think that if I put without FSR, the whole FPS is gonna drop to 30-40 FPS. But with FSR activated, ultra quality, 4K resolution, looks gorgeous, seriously. So I'm actually surprised on this. In the ship I got nearly to 100 FPS, but in this case you can see with the resolution, with maximum quality in the city, is doing a fantastic job. So there is possibility for this computer to actually work with this video card. So I got 80% load on the video card score. It's 60-70 FPS on average. You can actually see, let's do one more time a reset here and see if it's actually doing the job properly. Nice MS, 20 over 20 ms. This is kind of horrible, but you can actually see the spikes are almost linear. If it's working like this, then I can use VSync in order to block unnecessary FPS, distress the video card and the CPU, because now the CPU and the GPU, they are all 80-90%, both of them. I got nearly 15 gig of system RAM. That is not okay, because that shows me that I need a faster and more system RAM, that I'm reaching the end of this. So in this case, I only got 16 gig of system RAM here, and I need a faster one if I want to put that i9 CPU in the future. So there is a possibility for this, and I really appreciate this computer, how it's running, seriously. How this video card is managing to push this amount of FPS. Never thought I would see this, but it does a really nice job, seriously. So yes, I like it. I like the performance this computer is offering here. This is gonna be very interesting on this occasion with this video cards. Yeah, I'm entered PUBG with this 4K with ultra resolution, and I put the video card on 91% load, nearly 300 watts. And I'm actually surprised the power supply is holding this 300 watts from the video card. If it shows 300 watts from there, I think it's not 300 watts. So got 73 degrees on the video card's core. This is good. I got 6.6 gig of VRAM utilizations, 80 FPS. I definitely need a 4K monitor, seriously. If it's working like this in the future, I'll actually put a 32-inch monitor here so I can play proper games with proper resolution, seriously. I'm not gonna say nothing bad about it, because it does the job. So I like this. I like the performance this video card is offering here. On the CPU side, I got like maximum load too there, so I like seeing 93% load on the CPU, 93% load on the GPU. I got 11 gig of system RAM utilized. Not bad, not bad. I actually love it, seriously. I'm actually surprised on this i3 CPU how it's performing. Dude, I'm squeezing the life of this CPU. I'm actually surprised how nice the CPU is working, seriously. I think that if I want to do a custom setup here, I can get away with this video card. I can do some VSync, enabling some stuff, you know, all kinds of settings that allows me to put this video card in a good position. You can actually see it's holding pretty well. Let's jump into Cyberpunk and see how it's running with this video card. I put everything on Ultra as a preset. It doesn't have any frame generation. All right, let's see what we got. I got 46 FPS. Let's do one more time a reset here and see what we got. 8 gig of VRAM utilization, 98% load on the core of the video card with 60% load on the CPU. So the CPU is not on the same level with this. So I think that if I put frame generation, the CPU is gonna spike too on being utilized at maximum. I think. But in this situation, you can actually see the quality. It's perfect. 4K resolution, ultra quality, no ray tracing and stuff like that, because I don't think ultra quality is enough without frame generation on this resolution. So I got nice utilization with almost 50 FPS. This is the preset. That's it. You select the preset and that's it. The only thing I want to do here is enable frame generation. That's it. Let's see now with frame generation on 4K. Quality is good, ultra quality is showing up without any artifacts, and with frame generation I got very interesting performance. I got 115 FPS. I knew the CPU is gonna bounce up, so from 50-60% load now I got 80-90% load on the CPU side. Very nice performance. So I think that a video card like this in an old computer, you don't need a high-end CPU apparently. With the right games, with the right video card, with the right settings, you can actually see even this video card can save your CPU. Seriously, an i3 CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads apparently is working wonders in this. VSR did a fantastic job on letting me go with 4K using ultra quality, frame generation, give me nice FPS. So I can't say nothing bad about it because there is nothing. It's just pure awesomeness in this situation. This has nothing to do with any FSR, any upscaling. This is just pure power from this video card. I put on 4K here with ultra details. There is not a single problem here, not a single shred of complaint from the video card. It's just pouring in performance. This is freaking insane how this video card is performing here. All right, so maximum quality 4K, you can actually see it's holding pretty well. Nice FPS. I don't have a lot of VRAM allocation. 4 gig of VRAM utilized and 5.3 allocated. Maximum load on the core. It's holding okay, so this is what I want. 100 FPS on average. It's working really nice. The only thing is left here is to use VSync. Whatever FPS you got, whatever frequency you got on the cable monitor, and then if you use VSync, you're gonna stabilize a little the wattage, because I got nearly 300 watts consumption from this video card, and it's a bit insane, you know, to see this video card running like this. Let's go into the menu here, use VSync, activate VSync here, and see how it's running. Now with VSync, I got 110 watts consumption from the video card. 40-50, so look at that, 40-60% load on the GPU side. This is not bad. And 20-30% load on the CPU. So all in all, using VSync with this amount of power is gonna stabilize the wattage consumption. I don't need 300 watts if I can do the same thing with 100 watts. This is a good quality, this is a good performance. 60 FPS, it's enough in this game. You don't need 1000 FPS here to actually have some fun. 4K resolution, ray tracing, high quality, everything is activated here. Just look how beautiful it looks. Holy smoke. Can't believe I'm seeing GTA 5 like this. Wow, look at the details in this game, seriously. Reflection, cars, what the heck is going on? Yeah, I think this is freaking awesome, seriously, not gonna lie. All right, quality is here, performance, 50-60 FPS. This is listen, I'm not surprised. I'll take this because I wanted to shift the load on the video card side, not on the CPU side. I will call this a big W for this computer because it's not stressing the CPU at maximum. So I know this is the performance I'm gonna get no matter what resolution I put. I think if I put put some upscaling because I put FSR on quality. I think if I put maybe 0.8 on render scale, I'm gonna get more FPS and I'm gonna distress the whole thing just a little. Let's put balance. Does it change something? Right, so with balance I got 54 FPS. No, nothing. Didn't change nothing. I'm pulling FSR 3. Performance. Let's try performance with FSR 3. I can see the quality difference, but there is still nothing to do here. Native A. Let's try this one. Holy sh. Okay, I'm back on quality because apparently it doesn't do nothing. All right, let's go to the casino. Apparently using FSR it's good, but most of the time you're gonna end up with problems from the CPU side, not from this. 4K with this system, with this video card. Well, how much you got? 80% load on the video card score, 65 degrees on this. I got 10.5 gig of VRAM utilization. What the heck is going on here? This is actually good. This is a nice performance from the video card. So 10.6 gig of VRAM allocated, 7.9 process. It's going places, this computer. Seriously, it's going places. I like the CPU. It stays around 50% load, hundreds of FPS. Do remember, this is maximum details on 4K with this video card. I know the video card can do the job in this game, but the only thing I wanted to see the load on the CPU because it's an i3 CPU. It's an i3 CPU. Imagine putting this game on lower quality in order to get hundreds of FPS, in order to benefit from the video card and put on display in order to get high refresh rate. You can do that. No, it's funny to see this RX video card running with this i3 CPU. So I'm not gonna complain. So if I'm interested on playing with this i3 CPU, apparently you can. The VRAM allocation still goes up. I got 6.6 now on the process side, and it's holding okay, 88% load with 65 degrees. So the GPU itself is good. I got 250 watts consumption from the video card. That is not bad. The only bad part about this is that it's killing the power supply because it's not very powerful. I'm preparing myself to get I'm actually to disassemble a mining machine so I can get the power supply from there and put it in this PC. Hopefully it's gonna end up okay. So do I like the performance this video card is offering? Yeah, it's very nice performance, and I think this is the only thing that matters. This video card, this CPU apparently works really nice in Counter-Strike. So there is no problem on playing the game with high FPS with maximum details on 4K. I'm actually surprised how nice this experience was with this AMD video card with this i3 CPU. In the future, hopefully I'm gonna end up with a better power supply in this machine. I'm looking now for a cooler. If I'm not finding nothing, I'm gonna use the old i9 that I have from the Deep Cool. I have a cooler from them, and it's doing a fantastic job on utilizing the CPU with lower temps, and I'm gonna use that one. I'm looking something for air cool because I know I won't have any problems on utilizing the CPU on 100%, but if I want to do a lot of work on it, I need an IO on it, because based on what performance I've seen here with this i3 CPU and with this video card, I think if I put this video card with that i9 CPU, it's gonna be a magical experience. So I like this. I like this experience that I had, and I want to see more CPUs like this. It's a fantastic thing, you know. So this gave me an idea with that virtual super resolution VSR. Because in this situation, I had resizable bar on. This was the reason I made this computer, because of now the mainboard is got SLI, that is very important, and resizable bar. So I wanted to see this video card with a resizable bar. Now the question is, for this video card with that resolution VSR, how does it hold with my old i7-6950X? To bring it back, put other games and see how it's performing, because you managed to see a very great experience here with 4 cores and 8 threads, and I freaking love it. Seriously, I freaking love the experience this machine managed to offer me, and I want to see similar games that I managed to do today with the i7 again, maybe with higher resolution with VSR. Very, very interesting performance. All in all, I can say that I want to finish this computer I want to swap this i3 to an i9 and test more video cards with this machine because it's got a resizable bar, and I'm gonna get a different type of performance with those video cards. I like it. I like it. I have more plans for this computer. I have more plans for this video card. I think this video card needs more uptime in order for me to, you know, to benefit from it, because it's a freaking nice video card, and I want to show you other games how they are performing with this. I like it, and if you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.